Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Now, in today's live class, we have already done the different kinds of nutrients and the balanced diet. But today, we are again going to revise it. Those who were absent in the live class or those who have not understood, they can see this video and understand. Okay, children? So, first of all, I would like to tell you the Unit 1 syllabus of science. There are three chapters in this unit. First is tasting to digesting food. Second is follow rules and be safe. Number three is green and clean earth. This is tasting, but in your book it is written testing. So please correct it. Instead of E, you make it A. Okay, it is tasting to digesting food. Then write the syllabus in your science copy on the first page. Then make a big interleaved single line 120-page copy for science. Interleaved means one side plain, one side line. Okay. I hope you will write the syllabus neatly with blue pen and underline with blue pencil or black pencil. Okay. Please do not use two pens, only use one pen. Blue pen is more than enough. No need to change the pen for the headings. You can just underline the headings. Okay. So write neatly with blue pen. You can use gel pen or any other ink pen, Trimax pen, but please do not use dot pen because it spoils your handwriting. So let's begin in this chapter. First of all, you have to remember what is food. Food is gives us energy, helps us to grow and fight against diseases to keep us fit and healthy. So you should know what is food. Then nutrients. Food contains some substances called nutrients. Nutrients provide nourishment to our body. Nutrients present in our food are of various types. They are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So you must remember what is food and what are nutrients which are present in the food. Then you know that foods are divided into three groups on the basis of the functions of the nutrients. First is energy giving food. There are two types of energy giving food, fats and carbohydrates. You know, fats give more energy than carbohydrates. And growing children, those who play a lot and study, they need more of carbohydrates for energy. Then bodybuilding food. This makes our muscles and heal our body. So bodybuilding food is protein. Then the last one is protective food that contains vitamins and minerals which protect us from diseases. That is why it is called protective food. These are some examples of different nutrients. These are carbohydrates, bread, corn, rice, pumpkin, potato, and some kind of sweet. Then these are proteins, chicken, egg, ham, and then fish, milk, all these are proteins. Then fats, butter, oil, ghee, these are fats. Then vitamins are present in all the fruits and vegetables, different kinds of vitamins A, B, C, D, E, K, all these are present in the different kinds of fruits and vegetables. Then minerals are calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, sodium, phosphorus. All these are present in different things like calcium, you all know, is present in milk. Then phosphorus is present in fish. Iron is present in spinach and apple. This kind of minerals are important for our body. Now we come to the balanced diet. A diet that contains carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals in the right amount is called a balanced diet. So this definition is important. You should learn it. Then we will see the pyramid. I have explained you that why this is a balanced diet is already always denoted in a pyramid because it shows that we should take more of these things. Then gradually we should reduce the servings till this fats come because fat is harmful, that is not good for us, so we should use it sparingly. Sparingly means very very less. So most of the time we should have 7 servings of at least carbohydrates like rice, pasta, cereal, bread. All these are important carbohydrates. Then vegetable serving should be 4 and fruits should be 3 in 3 serving. At least 3 fruits in a day you should take. These are also important vitamins and minerals. Then protein, milk, meat, poultry, fish, beans, eggs, and nuts, 2 servings. Milk, yogurt, and cheese, 3 servings. These are different kinds of proteins which should be taken every day. Then these are fats, oils, and sweets which you should take in very less quantity. And we should at least drink 6 glasses of water every day. So this is a balanced diet. In your book, this protein is below vegetables and fruits. So it doesn't matter. Fruits and vegetables and proteins are equally important. So you can take them more of fruits and vegetables and then less of proteins, or more of proteins and less of these fruits and vegetables. It doesn't matter. Okay, that both are correct. So don't get confused. And I hope till here you have understood. In the next class, we will discuss about the digestive system, which I have taught you in the live class, but we will do it again. And I will try to share PDF also, so that those who don't have books can read the chapter from the PDF. Okay, children. Thank you. See you in the next class. Have a nice day.